Hi, my name is Maria and today I will teach you how to prepare something very easy. How to make colored sugar, perfect for decorating a cake, cookies, cupcake, and any dessert you want. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que les estaré hablando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. The only thing we need is sugar that we have in our house and vegetable coloring. I'm going to make it yellow. I do between 2 to 3 drops of vegetable coloring. Now let's cover it to move it. And the sugar remains with the yellow color. Now we're going to see how the colored sugar turned out. Look how beautiful the yellow sugar is. You saw how easy to prepare the colored sugar, and it only took us a minute. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel Lady Maria 51 and activate the bell so that you can receive our new videos. See you in the next video.